If you're looking for a flat-barred bike to use as an everyday workhorse in the urban sprawl, as a fun way to get fit, or just an enjoyable way to escape at the weekend, then both the MERIDA Speeder and the MERIDA Crossway range of bikes have you covered. However, there are some subtle but important differences that might mean that a Speeder is a better choice over a Crossway or vice versa. In this video, I'm going to run through the differences in character and capability between the two ranges so you can find the right bike for you. The two ranges do share much in common. For a start, they both use frames made from lightweight aluminium. At MERIDA, we've got an extremely high level of expertise in working with this material to create frames that are high quality, durable, fully featured and backed up by a lifetime warranty for the original owner, regardless of whether it's our most expensive or most affordable model. All bikes in the Speeder and Crossway lineup also come with disc brakes for reliable and safe all-weather performance. While both bikes are most at home on tarmac, they can also handle smoother dirt trails and tracks with ease. It's also possible to fit mudguards, racks or stands to either bike, meaning that you can use them as a year-round commuter or for longer trips. As the name suggests, the Speeder is all about covering ground as quickly as possible. It's designed to give you almost all of the effortless speed of a traditional drop-barred road bike with a much more upright and comfortable riding position, something especially useful when you're navigating urban traffic. Because it's so closely related to a road bike, the Speeder is best suited to sealed surfaces, something due in large part to the fast-rolling 32mm wide slick tyres. All models in the range also have a rigid carbon fibre fork, which delivers a high degree of efficiency, low weight, and also a degree of comfort-enhancing vibration absorption. The bikes in the Speeder range generally have gearing that is best suited to higher speeds rather than scaling particularly steep slopes, so you should take your local terrain into account. You may well be better suited to a Speeder rather than a Crossway if you want a bike with a sporty, wind-cheating riding position, but you don't want the dropped handlebars of a traditional road bike. If you're willing to sacrifice a touch of comfort for low weight and speed, then the Speeder could well be the bike for you. And due to the gearing, it's better suited to riding at higher speeds on flatter terrain. While the Crossway can handle life in the concrete jungle, it's best suited to the rider that wants to enjoy the journey instead of just getting from A to B as quickly as possible. That's why the focus is on geometry and equipment that's about making comfortable as well as swift progress. Crossway bikes are also fitted with wider 40mm tyres that have deeper tread. All the bikes also come with a suspension fork for improved safety and comfort, something that also means that the Crossway is much more capable of taking excursions onto the dirt. Whether it's far road trails in the forest at the weekend, a trekking holiday, or simply taking a more scenic route to work, the Crossway can take the rough with the smooth. Many bikes in the Crossway range also come with a suspension seat post to further take the sting out of the bumps. Many also have an adjustable angle stem which allows you to fine-tune your riding position. This versatility is backed up by a much wider range of gearing. All the bikes in the range come with a triple chain set up front, which means that you should have the correct gearing for everything from steep climbs to faster, flatter sections. For riders with lower mobility, another large advantage of the Crossway range is that we offer a low step-through frame design for every model. That means that it's easier to get on board, whether you suffer with mobility issues or just prefer that frame design. A Crossway may be the right choice for you if you need the extra safety and comfort of the suspension fork and wider tyres, and you don't mind paying a small weight penalty. With its more relaxed and upright geometry, it's also a much more comfortable ride, and there is also the added convenience of a low step-through frame option. Thanks to its very broad range of gearing, it's ideal for travelling more heavily laden or in steeper terrain. I hope this video has been useful in detailing the differences between the Speeder and Crossway ranges. For more detailed information, such as pricing and availability in your country, you're best off speaking to your national distributor. You can find a list on our website. It's also possible to use the dealer search function to find a shop near you. And if you'd just like to look at some more details, then look at the Speeder or Crossway mini sites for full range overviews. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, and if you want to see a bit more of this sort of thing, consider subscribing to us on YouTube. Anyway, thanks and goodbye.